Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to find videos you commented on YouTube. With this you can find videos that you really like. First, let's quickly check if YouTube is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find YouTube. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds to finish with updating. Now open YouTube. In the top right, click on Profile icon, here find Settings and click on it. Click on History and Privacy. Various options will show up. Click on Manage All Activity. New window will show up. Click on the Interactions tab. Here click on Comments and Replies. List off all videos that you commented will show up. If you want to delete your comment, click here and confirm. Now your comment is deleted on that video. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more tutorials like this, follow our channel. See you in the next video.